Hey there, aspiring designers! Imagine this, becoming a Photoshop pro without spending a single penny on courses or fancy degrees.
What the hell are you talking about?
Sounds impossible? Think again. Today, I'm bringing you the ultimate list of YouTube channels that'll take your Photoshop skills from meh to mind-blowing. Whether you're just starting out or you've already dabbled in design, these hidden gems have something special for everyone. And here's the best part. Most people don't even know these channels exist.
Honestly, I don't know.
Stick around till the end, because the last channel on this list, it's an absolute game changer. Let's kick things off with Mir Ram, a goldmine for photo manipulation. From surreal edits to jaw-dropping transformations, this channel delivers big time. Now heads up, no voiceovers here, just background music. Perfect for intermediate learners who love a visual challenge. Beginners? Don't worry, you can bookmark this one for later. Trust me, it's worth the effort. Now let's dive into PiXimperfect, where Photoshop meets pure creativity. From vector art to oil painting effects, this channel offers tutorials that feel like a creative retreat. Want inspiration and unique techniques? You'll find them here. By the way, if you're loving this so far, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more hidden gems like these. Next up, we have Design Island, your one-stop shop for print design mastery. Logos, banners, packaging, you name it. If you're stepping into the print media world, this channel, it's an absolute must-watch. And then there's Nobu Design. Don't let the quirky name fool you, this channel means business. Specializing in Adobe Illustrator, it's perfect for mastering illustration. Each tutorial is unique, professional, and totally worth your time. Now, for a complete design experience, Will Peterson is your go-to. From improving your design skills to managing real-world projects, this channel teaches what most don't: how to think like a designer. And I cannot leave out, yes, I'm a designer, my personal favorite. Why? It focuses on trends and innovative techniques. If staying ahead of the curve matters to you, this is the place to be. Pressed for time? Check out Graphics Design How-To. Short, focused tutorials that let you learn in minutes. Perfect for anyone juggling a busy schedule. Ready to level up? Start with Satori Graphics. With in-depth lessons and top-quality content, it's ideal for mastering advanced techniques. And now my favorite, PiXimperfect, the holy grail of Photoshop tutorials. Detailed, versatile, and easy to follow. It's perfect for beginners and pros alike. So, which one of these channels are you diving into first? Let me know in the comments. And hey, don't forget to subscribe to Learn It Vast for more tips to master in-demand skills. Remember, the journey to becoming a great designer starts with just one step. Or in this case, one channel. Pick your favorite, start learning, and let your creativity soar. I'll catch you in the next video. Until then, stay curious and keep designing.